We're at a tipping point, and there's a reason why the church is in the shape that it's in. Because we've turned worship into a pep rally, and we've stopped gathering around the presence to gather around a performance. And when you're tethered to a performance, what happens? The show must go on. But the kingdom of God is not a show, it's a flow. And it's more caught than taught. And whether we like it or not, we're in a reboot, a divine reset, refresh, and reform to get us back to a relationship-based faith, because on the other side of that reboot is where we need to be. Normal isn't coming back, Jesus is, and it's about being ready.